To use McGill's Visual Schedule Builder, the first thing you'll want to do is to select the term. In this case, I'm selecting Summer 2023. Then, you can input the course number or the course name and select the courses that you want to add to your semester. In this case, I'm adding Calculus 3. Press Select, and you can see when that would show up in your week. Then you can add any other courses that you want to take. In this case, you can see that I've added Calculus 3, Mathematics for Management, Archaeology of Early Cities, and Intro to Financial Accounting. To select alternative versions of the schedule with the same classes, you can use the arrows on top under Generated Results. Under each course is a short description and any prerequisites. In the middle of the screen, you can see all the information pertaining to the course, such as the professor, the room, the seats that are available, and how many credits they are worth. Finally, at the bottom, you can see the CRNs, which can be copy-pasted directly into Minerva when you're ready to do your course registration. I hope this helped. Have a great semester.